हाय गाइस, वेलकम और वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे पहली बार आए, वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करें। और अगर आप यहाँ मेरे साथ हमेशा रहते हैं तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस। सो इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं मेरे मिंत्रा की ज्वेलरी हॉल के बारे में। मैंने बहुत सारी ज्वेलरी आइटम्स मंगाए, कुछ बैंगल्स, कुछ कड़े, कुछ नोज पेन एंड बहुत सारे ज्वेलरी सेट्स मंगाए डिफरेंट कलर्स के, डिफरेंट तरीके के। तो उसके बारे में मैं आपको बताती हूँ कौन से हैवी हैं, कौन से लाइट हैं, किसकी क्या लुक है। मैंने कुछ लुक्स भी क्रिएट करी हैं उनके साथ। तो अगर आपको मेरी मेहनत बहुत अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक करना, शेयर करना, सब्सक्राइब करना। थैंक यू सो मच गाइस।
So the first thing that I've got is this Priyasi's bangle. So I got them in this box. There was a poly bag inside this, and then we had these bangles. So they look very pretty. They have this very nice shine. They look like studded diamonds, multiple studded diamonds, and have this kind of design on the sides. So it looks very good. There was a pair. So there were these two that came along, and they look quite pretty. You can wear them with your normal suits, etc. Whenever you're going out, or can wear it for functions as well. So I like this piece very much and highly recommend it. The another one is this nose ring, as you would say it, and it has this droplet like thing in the end. It was irritating my nose a bit, but otherwise it was looking very pretty. You can see all the prices, etc. on the sides and what I got in discount. The third one is this gold bangle. So it has this design on the top, where you can wear it from, and you can wear it as a bangle as well. It is not adjustable, so you will have to see the size. So it also looks quite nice. You can keep wearing it with the jeans or anything ethnic. If you're wearing it, looks good. And here comes the section of the beautiful jewelry that I've ordered. So I ordered this choker kind of a set, which had red rhinestone in between, and I created a look with it. If you want to see how I created the complete look, do let me know in the comment section below. It had these earrings as well. They were in square structure as the studs, as the designs in the centerpiece, neck piece. So they looked quite nice. You can have them as a red and golden neck piece. Mostly in ethnic wears, you find golden and red quite much, so you can have it. Another piece is this green and chandbali kind of a thing, and the mang tika with for it to go. So you can wear it with your salwar suit, or any Punjabi function, any Punjabi bride. You can get ready with this kind of a jewelry, and it looks quite good. They look quite heavy. Yes, a little bit weight was there. So if you don't wear heavy jewelry, you can avoid this one. This piece has to be my favorite one. It has pink, green emeralds, and a diamond rhinestone, and it looks something like this. You can pair it with all of these colors, and it looks quite good. I love this piece. Another favorite of mine, multi colored studs. So you have blue, yellow, so you can pair it with a lot of jewelry pieces. It is quite nice. I would recommend. So next is the sky blue stones and yellow kind of huge balis. They had a lot of weight, so I had to return this piece because I cannot, wear such heavy jewelry. So if you can wear it, or if you can take it for a day or something, you can do it. Then the next is another multicolored set. It is painted, not studded, so it looks quite good. There is a little droplet kind of a pearl in the end, so you can pair it with all the colors it has, and contrast colors as well. So it was quite light, and I would highly recommend this piece to you. We have a pair of these golden, old looking, like we used to have them in our mother's and grandmother's time, but they're very pretty. They have these earrings with them. There is another pair like this. I'll just show it to you. So this is the set I was talking about. It is almost the old looking type, but it has a droplet like structure, so it is a little different than the first one. They both came in pair, and you can see the price and everything in the side I've mentioned. Then we have this beautiful, elegant golden and pink piece that you can pair with contrast pink, light pink, or something like that. So the next piece that I got with this golden and pink one is this golden and pearl necklace. So it is quite beautiful, and I got a pair for the price that you can see in the sides. So another piece is this silver one, and the hanging earrings with it. So you can pair it with something which has work in silver or something like that. And last but not the least is this blue set. So it has these circular golden things embedded in a blue setup, and they're bead it together, so it looks quite beautiful. You can see I paired it with the sari. And do let me know guys which was your favorite piece of jewelry, and I made a lot of effort doing all these looks. So if you want to see how I created a particular look, you can go in the description box. I have put all the video links there, and you can see my Instagram as well for more photos of these looks. So if you liked it, please like, share, subscribe guys. Thank you so much.